Hi, I'm Riley Teeter, and I'm going to share with you today the Posture Restore. We designed the Posture Restore because bad posture has become an epidemic in our society. We're sitting all the time, or we're standing with too much curvature in our back, and this does terrible damage to our spine and stacks the deck for eventual back pain. So how do we get our posture restored? Well, it's two-step. We need to open up and stretch the muscles that have shortened and engage the muscles in the back that have lengthened, and allowing us to get into that bad posture and in fact holding us in that bad posture. So we have two pieces. We have a bottom that's opening up the hips and a top that's designed to open up those chest muscles and restore the shoulders back into their proper position. These can be used separately or together, and the upper one here can be moved to bring the head off the top, and that's going to further stretch the body, or move side to side to get underneath the shoulder blades. This is a great product if you're finding that you're not standing as tall or as straight as you'd like to. Give it a try. See how posture can change the way you feel and the way you move. And remember, at Teeter, we've got your back.